Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and in this question we will check which one of these number is larger. And here we have 2 to the power of 41 and 3 to the power of 31. So in this lecture we will compare these two numbers and we just tell about which number is larger. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can simplify both of the numbers separately. So first I can simplify the number which is 2 to the power of 41. So here you can focus on 2 to the power of 41, and its power is, or exponent is, 41. So we can write this 41 as 40 plus 1. So after this step we can use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of a to the power of n. So now we can use here this nice exponential law, so that according to this law the next step will be written in the form of, here we can just separate the exponents and we can write 2 to the power of 40 times of 2 to the power of 1. After this step we can again rewrite this term as, here you have 2 to the power of 40, and we can write this 2 to the power of 40 as 2 to the power of 4 times of 10. So when you can multiply 4 times of 10, then you will get the output 2 to the power 40 into 2 to the power of 1. And after this step we can apply here another nice exponential law, and which is about, if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we can use here the second nice exponential law, so that according to this exponential law we can write this 2 to the power of 4 times of 10 as 2 to the power of 4 and its whole power 10, and here you multiply 2 to the power of 1, which is equals to 2. And now you say that 2 to the power of 4, it is equals to 16. So you get 16 to the power of 10 times of 2. So finally all the simplification of this term is 2 to the power of 41 is equals to 16 to the power of 10 times of 2. So this is the simplification of 2 to the power of 14. And now similarly we can make the simplification of the second number, which is 3 to the power of 31. So now we can simplify 3 to the power of 31, and we can apply the same steps which we can apply 2 to the power of 41. So now first I can write 3 to the power of 31 as 3 to the power of 30 plus 1, and after that we can apply here this nice exponential law. According to this law you can break the exponent if it is written in the form of summation or sum, so that we can separate these two exponents, and you write 3 to the power of 30 times of 3 to the power of 1. And now in the next step we can write or rewrite these numbers as, we have 3 to the power of 30 and we can write it as 3 to the power of 3 times of 10 into 3 to the power of 1. And now again you see that we can apply again this second exponential law, and if you have a to the power of m times of n, then we can write in this exponent form, so that here you can just write this 3 to the power of 3 times of 10 as 3 to the power of 3 and its whole power 10 into, here you have 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is equals to 27 and its whole power 10 into 3. So finally we can write 3 to the power of 31 is equals to 27 to the power of 10 times of 3. So this is the value of the second number, which is 3 to the power of 31. And now here you can compare both of the numbers and the right hand side of both of the numbers, and here you see that you have the base is 16 and here you have the base is 27. And when you compare these two bases, the first base is 16 and this base is 27, when you compare these two bases, and you can easily say that we have 27 is greater than 16. And if this 27 is greater than 16, then we will make both of these terms here. So in this question or in this value you have 16 to the power of 10 and here you have 27 to the power of 10, so that we will make here the 10th power on both of the sides, so that this expression will implies that 27 to the power of 10 is greater than 16 to the power of 10. And now after that you can compare the other numbers. Here you have the number 3 which is multiplied by 16 to the power of 10, and here you have number 2 which is multiplied by 16 to the power of 10, and here you have number 3 which is multiplied by 27 to the power of 10. So now you can compare 3 and 2 and you can easily say about 3 is greater than 2. And if this 3 is greater than 2, or you can write here 3 is greater than 2. So now you can multiply these two inequalities, and according to the law of inequalities, if you have a greater than b and if you have a is greater than b and c is greater than d, so this implies that ac is greater than bd. So now we can use here this nice law of inequality, so that according to this law, when you can multiply these two numbers, then you get the output in the form of 27 to the power of 10 times of 3 is greater than 16 to the power of 10 times of 2. And here you see that 27 to the power of 10 times of 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 31, so that here you can put 3 to the power of 31 is greater than 2 to the power of 41, so that our final conclusion is this: the number 3 to the power of 31 is greater than 2 to the power of 41, or the number 2 to the power of 41 is less than 3 to the power of 31. So this is the our final conclusion of this question, and here you write 2 to the power of 41 is less than 3 to the power of 31, and this is the our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.